Hey guys, I'm here in Texas, Uvalde, training for the World Gliding Championships. I'm so fortunate that I have here my AS33ME already here in Uvalde. Others are still waiting for their gliders, and it is just a dream flying this AS33ME here. Today I will fly an assigned area task, which was set by the Brazilian team. Thanks a lot to the Brazilian team who also helped me a lot on the ground already. Let's dive directly into it. Let's start this task. 3.5 hours. And yeah, let's explore a little bit more Texas. Yesterday I had already a 3-hour flight, which was amazing. Today I'm completely ballasted, so at 600 kilograms. I believe it's the first time flying my glider now with 600 kilograms, because the weather conditions in Germany were just not good enough to allow this. But let's focus here on the task. I have not loaded the complete map to this area up to now, so that's why the screen is white here. Now let's see. We need to select the street and we need to accelerate. I think we will head to the left hand side here slightly, and we have good weather conditions, so we can fly fast. 210 kilometers an hour should be nice. And then let's go. Cloud base is about 2,500 meters. It is okay, it's good. Ground is really low, so I believe it's only 200, 300 meters. And the biggest problem here is the heat. It is really, really warm. I think it already has about 40 degrees Celsius on the ground. And yeah, it's tough for the glider, for the avionics, for everything. And of course also for me as a pilot, it is really, really warm. And if you close the canopy at the start, it is really hard to close it. Like you see here, I can only close it completely in the air. Yeah, then it's getting even warmer because you need some ventilation here, and we don't have an AC and air conditioning. But this would be awesome to have in such a glider where you have some power in the wing. That's amazing. There we can slow down a bit. Wow. That's fantastic. Perhaps a little bit too much deviation, I don't know. Yeah, I try to make a little S-turn just to get a feeling of the air, but we need to continue. And then we can also check here, but there's not really an airfield in this area, so we also need to be really careful here about outlanding or using the motor, because we always want to have a landing possibility. But here it doesn't look great. Everything is like, yeah, it's not really forest, but bushes all around. Unfortunately, the XF360 cam is overheating, but conditions are good. We're going fast, 210, it's so hard to follow.
They are so tight.
Meters/second. Let's go up here. So this here is the Mexican border, this river down here, and that's Mexico. Here I really wanted to find something because I don't know how the weather behaves here later in the day, and then we have these blue conditions in between as well, so I just wanted to make a safe final glide. That's why I started with 1.3, 1.5 meters/second, and now it's 2.5, which is great, but I'm really done for today. It was a fast, interesting flight, but the heat is really something you need to get used to. You need to drink a lot. I'm hungry now, I don't have anything to eat with me, so it's really time to head back to Uvalde. So we are at final glide. You can see Uvalde happy there. I had such an amazing energy line at the end. I will arrive way too high. I can't go over maximum speed. So there's still that bumpy air. It was a fantastic flight, 3-hour AAT. I changed the time because I thought it will get blue, and I'm exhausted already, so it said I will make it a little bit shorter. Average speed 146 km/h, which is good. Not sure if it is good for here, but for European conditions it would be great. Day of Soaring. And then we can check out the sides, the airfield here a little bit more. And it is so silent in here if I have extra close the front end. Then it's time to dump the water. It's open. awesome. Let's open the front fence again. Oh, there is a huge solar farm. Wow. That's Uvalde city. Directly here at this intersection. That's where we stay. Here, there's a golf course. Water is still flowing out. There's a lot of the auto tanks.